Hi, this is Karen from Lordhair, and I manage the social media account of the company.
We're really starting to get over the worst of the coronavirus in China. But it's still very important for us to keep washing our hands regularly. I hope you all doing the same and doing the best to keep you safe.
Lordhair is also taking personal hygiene very seriously at work, and I'm making this video to show you the steps we have taken to keep our team healthy and free from COVID-19, as well as to assure you all that it's okay for you to keep ordering our packages. Cause I don't live within walking distance of the office, and as I don't have a car, I'm waiting for Mary to pick me up and take me to work.
Look, Mary is coming.
Morning. Qingdao is pretty much back to normal, but we are still trying to limit our contacts with other people. That's why the company asked us to avoid public transport and give each other a lift to work where possible. And I need to take body temperature before I enter the company. My office is on the 8th floor, so now we are going to take the lift. We always make sure we press the button with a tissue. We know COVID-19 typically spread through respiratory droplet, but as the virus can also linger on surfaces, we can't afford to take any chances.
This is the office of our customer service team. Good morning, guys.
Hi.
Since we came back to work after the Spring Festival holiday, our employees have all worn masks in the office and out in the street. We were all given our own individual hand sanitizers. And you can see the communal one we have here. Now I'm going to show you how we are treating your hair systems before we ship them to you. There's this very little chance of the virus being transmitted through parcels, but we don't want to risk it all the same. We are sterilizing every hair systems we ship out. We will leave the testing in the sterilizer for at least 1 hour.
Now I'm back to my seat. After sending masks with our warm heart, we received many thank you comments and letters. Let's have a look.
So everybody stay safe. Bye bye.